mean, geometric
Geometric.
mean, and harmonic mean. We will
Harmonic
discuss
mean.
all these things later. Now we'll move to median.
Okay, sir.
So what we can see, the median of a variable is defined as the
Hmm.
middlemost value when its values are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. So like if we have this, say 15, 9, 31, 44, 27. So now we have these values. Now if I ask you to find the median, the first step will be like this. You need to put these values in some order, either in descending order or in ascending order. মানে ছোট থেকে
Hmm.
বড়তে সাজাতে হবে বা
বড় থেকে ছোট।
exactly. So
Hmm.
maybe if we write like in ascending order, so there will be 15, sorry, there will be 9.
9.
9 is the
Hmm.
least. 9, 15, and then 27, and then 31, and after that 44. Okay, so
Hmm.
now the middlemost value is
Hmm. 27 and 30. হ্যাঁ, 27।
only শুধু
হুম,
27.
হুম। শুধু 27, হ্যাঁ।
Okay,
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
and you can also write in descending order also 44, 31. Okay, this
হুম।
time also you'll get 27.
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
Now the problem, if for these values, if we have one extra value like say
হুম।
57,
50,
then 27 and 31,
31
these
মানে
two are in
ওইটার
middle.
হ্যাঁ।
So which one we should take? বলছে in order, in other words, the median divides the whole set of values in two parts, okay, such
হুম,
that
হুম,
half of the observations are less than or equal to it and half are more than or equal to it. If the total number
হুম,
gives the values n, suppose n is an
হুম।
odd number, okay,
odd number। হুম,
odd number, then there exists only one middlemost value, namely n plus
হুম।
1 by 2. Odd number means if the values are like 3, 5, 7, okay, so
হুম, হুম, হুম।
we'll have exactly the middle value. Okay, now it in the arrangement, so if n be even, now this question, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So
হ্যাঁ,
now this is even.
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
So median may not be uniquely determined. So we have
হুম, হুম।
problem because for even values, even number of values, we have how many? Two values,
two values, হ্যাঁ।
two middle values, and we cannot take two values for median. So we need something to do. That is,
হুম,
in fact, in any possible value between the two middle values, namely n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 value,
হুম,
in order arrangement, okay,
হুম, হুম।
may be taken as median. So like now we should look in this example, the scores of 9 students in economics
হুম।
in a class test were found to be 40, like this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is odd, very simple.
হুম।
Okay, 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2,
Divided
the
by
fifth
2
value.
by
So this will, but
5.
no. The value regarding to the number actually the values
Hmm.
corresponding to the number 5 when we put the set of values in some order, either ascending order or descending order. Okay, here
Ah,
here like arranged in ascending order. After arranging the values in ascending order, the fifth value, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so this is 40.
hmm.
Now in the next example we can see that the weights in kgs of 6 persons. Okay,
Hmm.
6 person,
Hmm.
that is even. Now again we will what, we will do what, put these values in ascending or descending order and then apply
Hmm.
this formula. So we take nothing, we take actually, so here for this case 27 plus 31, the middle value of these two values.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, the middle value of these two values. So this is nothing but what, 62.5 kgs. Now in connection with the frequency distribution of a discrete variable, now we need to take some other considerations, like here. Now I think I should tell you something about it. Let suppose L and U respectively denote the lower and upper class boundaries. You know the lower class boundaries and upper
Hmm.
class boundaries of a class in which the median lies.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this part is mainly for frequency. Okay, before
Hmm.
this, this example and this example, these two were only for ordinary values, no frequency distributions. Now if uh, we need to look for the frequency distribution part. So like this we can write here, like say, 10 to 20 the class,
Class interval. Huh.
okay, and the frequency, the class interval 10 to 20, the frequency is, you say, uh, like 5,
Hmm.
20 to 30, say 6, or it may be 8, 30 to 40, say 7, 40 to 50, say uh, what do we say, 4. So here this is what, this is the lower class boundary
Hmm. Hmm.
and this is what, upper class boundary.
Hmm.
Now where we found, uh, suppose L and U respectively denote the lower and upper class boundaries of the class in which, so we need to identify the class in which the median lies. Maybe this class, maybe this, that. Okay, any
Hmm.
class where the median lies. Suppose for this class, so small l will be 20 and u will be
30.
30, and fl and fu represent the corresponding cumulative frequencies. So the corresponding cumulative frequency we know how to make, and later we will see from any example. Okay, frequency.
Hmm.
If we assume that the cumulative frequency increases from fl to fu, okay,
Hmm.
fl to fu, cumulative frequency increases, that means the value of the cumulative frequency for the lower class boundary, okay, increases for upper class boundary. মানে এখানে
Hmm.
যেটা আমি পাচ্ছিলাম কিউমুলেটিভ ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি হিসাবে এল এর জন্য, সেটা এখানে বেড়ে গেল।
Hmm.
ঠিক আছে, linearly between L and U,
U.
then we may use technique of simple interpolation or equivalently the rule of proportional parts for obtaining the median. And the formula is median is like this with cumulative frequency n by 2. Okay, lastly this. Now where F, M, E and C respectively represent the frequency and width of class interval containing the median. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it should be noted that median can also be obtained graphically from ogive of the frequency distribution. This part I have already given the note. See the notes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now uh, I will come to next important. There are some properties. Okay, some properties you will see, and here. mm some properties of median pretty much same like the mean.
Hmm.
Okay, almost. And next is this is a mode is the highest value. Mode
Hmm.
is what? The highest value. Look, for which variable the value is the frequency value. Suppose for this distribution, frequency distribution, the highest frequency is what? 8.
8. 8.
So mode lies here. Okay, the mode of a variable is that value of the variable which has the highest frequency or frequency density according to the variable is discrete or continuous. In the latter case, the unimodal distribution can be fitted with a smooth frequency curve. Then the mode is abscissa of the highest point of the curve. This is the abscissa. This is abscissa. Abscissa means actually x-axis.
Oh, acha, acha.
Okay, this is ordinate. Okay, now this
Hmm.
this is quite okay.